Everyone, welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in LexClick and Companies, is going to present today's video topic, that is voluntary non-fit injuria. So, just before moving ahead with the topic, it is very important to know that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement under the guideline of Bar Council of India, and sole purpose of this video is only for educational purpose. Now let's get started with the video. So, voluntary here means voluntarily, meaning willingly, and injury here means any harm. So, any harm which is voluntarily done, voluntarily suffered, is known as voluntary non-fit injury. Now, suppose start with an example. Suppose a person who is there in a stadium, cricket stadium, where match is going on, and he's an audience there, and he's watching that match. Okay, now what's happened there? Batsman hit a ball so hard that the person get hurt from harm from that the ball which was hidden by the batsman, and after that he was hospitalized. And after that, in this case, you only guys tell that in this case, is he liable for any compensation, or he can go and file a case against any that batsman or the stadium? Is he liable for any compensation? So in this case, he is not liable for any compensation, because he was on voluntarily just suffered which he harm is voluntarily, is willingly he gets suffered from that. Okay, so in this case, this is voluntary non-fit injury, which means अपनी मर्जी से खुद willingnessly, खुद free consent, he gets harm, he suffered the harm. And in this case, if I say that a reasonable man, normal man knows the risk of going to cricket stadium. He knows अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ in that stadium, what are the consequences, what are the risks which is going with me, and to see that match. So any injury in that case happened. So in this case, no person can file a case, no person is liable for any compensation. Then in this case, he himself is doing the act that is legal maxim, voluntary non-fit injury. Now suppose another case, another landmark case, in which the case is Hole versus Brookland Auto Racing Club. So in this case, what happened that the case fact, if I tell you about what are the case facts of this case. So there were two cars met with an accident, collision, clash happens there, where the one parts of the car, किसी एक part की कोई एक part car की hits the person who is there at stadium and as an audience. So what happened, therefore resulting in harm, resulting to suffer harm. So in this case, the person is liable. The person is liable for any compensation, or can file any suit against any one of them, or the stadium, or the racer who was racing that car. So in this case, he is not liable, because going to that stadium is his own risk. वो अपनी खुद की रिस्क पे गया with free consent. He bought the ticket with his own consent. So in this case, he is not liable. He cannot file a case. He cannot liable for any compensation in this. So therefore, the court gave the judgment stating that he is not liable for any compensation, because he had the full knowledge about the risk. So in this case, no compensation is provided to that person. Now if I talk about another case, that is Winters versus Summer, where the horse riding was going on, taking place, and what happened that one person who started clicking pictures, घोड़ों के पास जाके he went to that horses and started clicking pictures, zoom एकदम घोड़ों के साथ, that, and what happened that he get injured from any one of the horses, and in this case what happened that he get injured, he suffer harm. And in this case, what happened that he filed a case, regarding that, and what happened, the judgment which was given by the court, that he is not liable for any compensation, because he was knowing that going there can suffer harm. उधर जाने पे he was a free consent, and that case voluntarily harm was there, willingness harm was there. And in this case, in this case the harm was taken by himself only, so no liable for any compensation is there. Now, what are the essentials of voluntary non-fit injury? So there are three essentials of voluntary non-fit injury. The first is the free consent, in which the consent should be free consent, no jor zabardasti should be there, no fraud, no misrepresentation, willingness of himself, willingness of an individual should be must at the essential of voluntary non-fit injury. Now another essential is that the essential of the act should be legally. So in this what happened, that act applied where legal act should be there. No, this voluntary non-fit injury, that is a legal maxim, is only applied where there is legal act going on taking place. No illegal act should be there. If any illegal act is there, no, there is not there will not be there. Not if any charges happen, if any suffer happens, no fine, no compensation will be given to that individual, because this is an this was, if that is illegal act. Okay, ठीक है. Now if there are three essential, and lastly is knowledge of risk. If he is going somewhere, he knows that if I am doing this act can harm me, can suffer the harm, he can get suffer from that harm. In this case he has fully knowledge about the act, fully knowledge about the risk. So in this case voluntary non-fit injury, where no compensation, no suit can be filed. So these are the three essentials, and this is whole about voluntary non-fit injury. And I hope you find this video informative, and if you find my video informative, and please go and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know your feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care. Goodbye.